What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about ACS Access Protocol, which has pumped up over 160% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just above the 1 cent target. So we're going to be going through, is it a crypto worth investing into? Should you avoid it? Is it legit? Is it a scam? And also going through its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Access Protocol go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? And also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, as in, is it time to buy it, is it time to sell it, or simply time to hold on to it if you have already invested into it. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So the market is up nearly 5% in the last 24 hours, and we do have ACS as the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. As you can see, in the last hour, it has taken a little bit of a drop, 13% down, which is quite major. But when you compare it throughout the whole day, it's not that major because it has pumped up over 160%. It did hit about 240% about an hour or two ago before it started dropping down in value, down to 0.0128. Over the week 85%, and over the month 55% down, guys. And as you can see, this crypto hasn't been there for a while. It's been literally was listed on Coinbase on the 15th of February and has been doing nothing but dropping in value ever since, all up until earlier today, where it has taken a little bit of a pump, but overall it is down a major 55%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has also gone up over 260%, making it $101 million in trading, a huge percentage increase. Only reason is obviously it has pumped up so much in value. A lot more people are looking into the project. It's one of the top gainers. There's going to be a lot of people showing the interest, a lot of people investing, a lot of people selling, and in general just a lot of traders, meaning the trading volume will go up, and even in the coming hours it's likely to go much higher than where it is at the moment. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction. However, as you can see, we've got the MACD chart here, but we don't have the actual graphs. Only reason is the crypto hasn't been there for a long time. As you can see, if I go to the hourly chart, we have it, but when we go to the daily chart, we don't have it. Only, again, that means we won't be able to do a long-term prediction, and that does make sense, guys, because there's not much historical data on this crypto for us to do the long-term prediction. But what I will do is give you guys my take and my prediction of the crypto and where I think it will be going over the coming weeks and months and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button. And also, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, guys. And again, as you can see, it's looking very steep, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I'm expecting it to drop back down below the 1 cent target over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting ACS to be trading below the 1 cent target. Don't get me wrong, in between that time, it's likely to pump up even higher than where it is at the moment, potentially to even 2 cents in target, and then drop back down in value. Is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So dropping below the 1 cent target towards the end of the day is what my expectations are. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, exact same. The blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again it's not realistic. It's only basing it off the last couple of hours, so the exact same applies here as well. Over the coming 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting an overall decrease in value from ACS once again. So let's say towards start of next week, we should be back down to about just about 1 cent, 0.008 to 0.009 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at towards the end of this week and early next week as well. So do expect more red days over the coming days. As you can see, it's already started to drop a little bit, and it's likely to go even further down over the coming hours and coming days as well. So for those of you guys who are looking to invest into it right now for the short term, I would wait for it to drop down further, and I would have my risk management on point as well, because at the moment I'm expecting it to drop down in value. I know a lot of people do get excited when a crypto goes up over 100-150%. They're like, you know what, let me chuck in $100 in and see what it brings me. But again, when that happens, it is a very risky time to get into it, because most of the time what it's likely to do is drop back down in value, and as we can clearly see, it has already started to drop down in value. Now, moving on to the daily chart, there isn't much we can do here. However, I'm not expecting any major increases in value from ACS. Only reason is the way it has been performing since it got launched. It's not something that I would invest into, and I won't be investing into this crypto, for those of you guys who are asking. And I'm not expecting it to go, to pump up much higher over the long term as well. Again, personally guys, I'm not going to say it's a scam, I'm not going to say it's legit, but it's a crypto that I personally wouldn't invest into, only because of how it's been performing. If we look at the monthly chart, as you can see, it's been doing nothing but dropping in value since the beginning, or since it got launched around the 15th or 16th of February, which was last month, and only pumped up right now, and it's likely to drop down further. And as you can clearly see, it's already started to drop down. So yeah, more red days are coming for ACS. However, if any of you guys are interested on regular updates on ACS, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys, to keep you guys in the loop on my predictions, my takes on this crypto. As we get more data, more analysis, we can figure out where it's likely to go over the long term as well. But to say for the short term, I'm not expecting any major increases, as I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming hours and coming days as well, and potentially even in the coming weeks and months, guys. It's very likely to stay around the 1 cent target. Yes, we may see this odd pump here and there in between, just like what's happened over the last couple of hours. It's pumped up, but it is dropping back down. That may happen here and there in between, but overall I'm not expecting any major movements from ACS. However, if I do come across anything that's unusual, or any major updates or major news that can have a potential positive or negative impact on the value of ACS, I will of course keep you guys updated on. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on ACS, guys. Let me know what your predictions are. Are you guys expecting it to pump up even higher? Are you guys expecting it to drop back down? Let me know your takes, your predictions on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.